Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is how to play Superman by Morgan Wallen. It's his new song. Let me know, this is just the chords I'm going to show you. Let me know if you guys have any questions about it or anything. I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, the chords, the chord progression, and everything. If you have other songs you want to learn or anything, please let me know in the comments. And give me a like and subscribe, if you like what you see. Even if you don't like what you see, still do it. All right? So let's get into this. This song is in standard tuning, and there's a capo on the 3rd fret. I know this is on the 4th. This guitar is always tuned a half step down. But if your guitar is in standard tuning, you put the capo on the 3rd fret. Okay? So here's how we're going to do this. So the song is actually basically the same strumming pattern and chord progression the whole time. So the way you do this, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do the chord progression because it can be a little bit difficult to get the timing if you're like totally brand new. But if not, you can do it either way you want, okay? So the chord progression is going to be F, okay? Then A minor, and then G. I do this G because it's easier, all right, but that's the one I do. All right, and then for a very short time, you will do E minor. Now, you don't have to, the trick is you don't have to do the E minor if it's too hard for you to do the timing of it or something, or you just don't like it. You don't have to. It goes back and forth in the song in the same spots. So, again, F, A minor, G, E minor. So it's like fame, all right? Phage. Phage. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, the way you strum this, is you're gonna do down and then wait a split second. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you change. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you see that's where you do the E minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now if you do it without the E minor, you can just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So you just kind of leave it out. You stay on G. Okay, so the way that this song goes, I would recommend doing the intro and the verse is a little bit softer than the chorus. So you're gonna do F, A minor, G, E minor, F. And then you're just gonna repeat that twice for the chorus. Then for the verse, you're gonna do F is one day you're gonna see my mug shot. So C, so you're gonna is a minor. Gonna see my mug shot. And then you G right before you say from. From a night when I was just a little is where you do E minor, little too drunk, and then drunk is F. Drunk, hear about a girl, or hear a song, let's see. Hear a song about a girl, so girl is A minor, girl that I lost, and then after lost you G, okay? From the times when I was I just wouldn't, so you wouldn't for E minor, wouldn't grow up, and then up you go to F. Now if you want to leave out the E minor, I'll show you. So you go, and again, if you're going to E minor, if you don't want to do it, you can just keep doing G. So you do, let's see, grow up, and when you ain't is A minor, ain't a kid no more, more is G, more, I hope you don't think less of me. So you just leave out the E minor and just go straight from G to F. Me. I think, let's see. I try to hide is A minor, hide my falling short is G, but you're gonna see. And then you actually don't do E minor there, you just go, stay on the G, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. Okay, and you're gonna do an F. Now and then that bottles, so F was now and then that bottles is A minor, bottles my crib tonight. And at the end of night, you do G, like after night, like right after. Night brings a man to steal down to his knees. So he goes, 2 is E minor, to his knees. And then you go to F, don't always know. So no is A minor, know my wrong from right. Okay, so right is G, right. Sometimes I'm my own worst enemy. So like you do, own worst is E minor, own worst enemy. Okay, enemy is F. No, I don't always. So always is A minor, which is easy. Always save the day. So day is G, day. But you know I'll always try. So always is where you're gonna do E minor. Always try. Okay, so try is F. I'll do the best. So best is A minor, best I can, but super, so super is G. Superman's still just a man, and sometimes. So then for that chorus, you just do times. And you just play through it, play through the chord progression again. F, so F, A minor, G, E minor, F, and then you go right into the verse, okay? So that's actually the whole song. You now know how to play the entire song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, if you have other song requests or anything like that. Thanks for watching, and it's been fun.